Lang ko konti, Madam Chair, no? I just would like to react to the statement of Attorney Rodante Marcolita. Congressman Marcolita. Kung sinabi po niya, Madam Chair, na siya ay nasasaktan dahil para bang alluded to yung buong lower house na sila ang nasa likuran nitong People's Initiative. Ako rin ay nasasaktan when he alluded the Senate as the opposition palagi, dahilan kung bakit hindi natutuloy yung economic chacha. Ako po'y gusto ko iparating, Madam Chair, na in fact, during the last Congress, kaming dalawa ni Senator Tolentino, nag-file kami ng resolution for economic chacha. And nagbabago po yung composition ng Senado at pareho na rin sa lower house, nagbabago rin yung composition. So hindi po rin masabi na kung nag-opos sila ngayon, mag-opos na yan forever. Nagbabago po. Kami po ni Senator Tolentino, nag-file po ng resolution. Kaya masakit po sa amin kung sabihin niya, nilalahat niya na ang buong Senado ay ayaw sa chacha. Kami po, nag-propose. So, yun lang po. Gusto ko lang liwanagin, Madam Chair. Again, he is a good friend of mine, Congressman Marcolita. There's nothing personal about it. Gusto ko lang iparating sa kanya yung mensahe na kami po ay pro-chacha rin, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa economic reforms.
Madam Chair, we can simplify this. Maybe we can have a stipulation. Can the Senate stipulate that of all the initiatives taken by the House to engage you as a constituent assembly, all these initiatives have been refused? Wala pa tayong, hindi pa po tayo nag-meet.
Madam Chair, as Senate President, as the leader of this institution, I filed last week RBH 6, which is to discuss economic provisions of the Constitution. So,
only to change your mind 3 days later, Mr. Senate President.
Did I ever say, for the record, did I ever say I am no longer pursuing this? Please cite the record that I said I will no longer pursue this.
Well, it's in the privileged speech I heard by one of you.
No. I'd like to correct misconception of my dear friend, Congressman Marcoleta. We are just fighting this PI first. Because this PI, this fake People's Initiative, is going to undermine the processes of voting during the discussions of constitutional change. Hindi po kami papayag na makapon ang Senado kasi mawawala po ang bicameralism that is stipulated 5 times in our Constitution and provides for the checks and balances of our institutions. Yun lamang po. Wala po tayong pinag-aawayan kundi itong PI kasi alam mo, sa totoo lang, Madam Chair, we're veering away from the topic here. Yes. But really quickly, kung yung People's Initiative, kung linagay po nila dyan, sino bang mga proponents dyan? Kung linagay ng pirma dyan to amend the, for example, public services to allow 100% foreign ownership, sa tingin ko walang gulo eh. Pati sa amin, walang aalma. Yun ay napakasimple.
I listened intently to the distinguished chairperson when she enumerated the basis for this inquiry, which is basically PI. While I know this is a spirited debate that has been going on between the House and the Senate, and we have 2 excellent debaters here in the person of Congressman Marcoleta, Senator Bato, and SP Zubiri, this will have its proper time at another inquiry and meeting so that we can focus on the witness and also our numerous resource persons who took the time out to be with us this morning. With the indulgence, of course, of my dear colleague and friend, Congressman Marcoleta.
I agree, Madam Chair. So, ang tinatanong ko lang po na kung meron tayong ma-stipulate, sapagkat totoo naman hindi pa tayo nag-meet as a constituent assembly. That is a fact. From all the invitations we had given to the Senate, wala pa pong nangyari doon. Ito po yung totoo.
Pag-usapan natin.
So, maaring ngayon po mangyari na. Pero ang sinasabi ko, for the longest time, the hands were extended to you to meet with us on a constituent assembly. Yung mag-usap lang tayo. And then
Marami
pag-usapan
pong
natin
magpoprotesta
kung
dyan,
voting
pero hayaan na
separately
po natin
or
at
voting
bigyan natin
jointly.
ng ibang
But